us in our entire family have ever seen a water fountain like that.
I can't believe this is LaGuardia.
But can I tell you something that none of us have also either seen?
What?
You subscribe, so you should definitely click subscribe. Also like.
So this is the new LaGuardia Terminal, and we're checking in on United. All right, we just checked in, and really nice terminal. eesA, are you helping mommy? Khiz, you got your luggage tag?
Yeah, but I have something to say about LaGuardia. LaGuardia is really tiny, and that's the one I'm used to. This one is I'm not used to. It's like, this is LaGuardia B, and it's really big.
It's a brand new terminal that I think they opened it last year. This is awesome. I can't wait to go inside and explore. You ready? Oh look, captains are going.
Wow.
Let's go.
And a hot dog. And a hot dog.
All right, let's go through security. Oh wow, this terminal is really beautiful. Okay, because that's the bridge we're gonna cross. As soon as you come out of security, you go up. Oh, the speakers. Khiz, you like Sony because you have Sony.
Look at that giant fountain.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning, how are you doing?
How did they do that?
That's impossible to do.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, huh? I can't believe this is LaGuardia. Wow. This is their new food court.
It also smells like burnt bagels.
It smells like burnt bagels, which is not a bad smell to have. dancing fountains, and from time to time, the fountain from the top opens up. So we finally got a table. It's kind of crowded. And in that water, they do a laser show with some nice ads about the city. Have you been in an airport in New York this cool?
Nope.
Do you like this airport?
Nope.
You want to go to Newark, JFK, or LaGuardia?
It depends on LaGuardia A or LaGuardia B. If it's LaGuardia A, I don't want to go. If it's LaGuardia B, I really want to go.
So in LaGuardia A is Marine Air Terminal. I think that's when we went to Fort Lauderdale for a day. And eesA, do you like this airport?
Mom bought me this delicious bagel.
Alright, so we made some homemade spicy chicken salad sandwiches, just so we can experience some home-cooked meal at LaGuardia with a nice view in the back.
It's incredible.
And Khiz already ate his Dunkin' bagel. Bye, beautiful food court in LaGuardia. Let's go to the gate. And that's the new LaGuardia Airport model. Beautiful. When we start traveling international, we can definitely try out the Centurion. Here's Brooklyn Diner, and this is the bridge that goes over the airport so planes can go underneath. There's another bridge just like this on the other side. So that's the food court area. That's the American. And we're going to the United Airline Terminal. And we might be late. So you have a mezzanine area with Air Canada Airline Lounge and United Airline Lounge. So that's the Maple Leaf and United. Right, so this is the 40s gate. We are 44. Our flight's delayed. We're gonna go check out if that is true. There's La Chula here. Restaurants are everywhere. Yeah, looks like flight is delayed. Oh. Alright, so now we're gonna explore the 40s gates. Alright, water, FAO shorts. Alright, so this is the FAO shorts. And I think my favorite is the big one here. Patrick the Pup. For $600. The best part about most of these stores is that they all open up to great views. But I wish there was a plane there. You saw Peter Rabbit? Cool. Alright, so there's more stores around 40's gates. You have District Market, Mac, and then there are more gates over there. Okay, so that was the bridge we were on. This side is JetBlue, the other side is United. Alright, so that was quite crowded, but because the airport is so big, it's still quite roomy. All right, guys, ready to go to our gate? Let's go.